Zonsundu namhlanje I want to speak about ubutyebi base-Africa, the sacred wealth of ancient Africa. Africa was rich beyond imagination. It was not only about farming, because every day you hear about thina kuthiwa sahlele farming kuphela, but that is not the truth. We didn't only farm. It was not the only identity we had. We had the reason that kwafika abantu bathatha gold and minerals is because already these were discovered in places like Mali, Ghana, Zimbabwe. Those people were already trading gold and minerals. And cattle and yes, and livestock was part of wealth yet, which is from farming. But it was not the only thing that was in our wealth. The spices, Betunan, they not only come from India. We also had our own spices. We were tunga, Betuna, things like this. These things were done by us, not in Michin. We kuthungwa the whole of Africa. When we go back to the wealth of Africa, we have wealth in healing, Betun. We had health in healing. We had astrologers. We had numerologists. We had herbalists. We had shamans. We had mediums. We were not just in one box. We had art, Betunan. The drum rolls. We had music. Betunan. We had sculptures. We had art. Storytellers, which I fall under. We had land. You know, ancient Africa was not only about farming, was not only about spirituality. Now, the reason that today I'm saying this to you is because I've been sent to tell you that start tapping into those things. If you are attracted in mining, start researching, start going through into Zinjal, because the wealth now is being brought back to our hands. It's already in our hands, but we just need to discover it. What are you interested in? Abantu ba busy. They are starting all over, Betunan. Hey, it's so beautiful out there. You're seeing a lot of Africans doing herbs, yonkinto. There's so many things that we are doing, that we are remembering who we are. From today, I want you to say to yourself, I don't operate from lack. That chapter is closed. Say this as much as you can feel that you really don't operate from lack. And then ask yourself, ezizandla zam, what can they do? Ezizandla zam, bububutye bezandla. Abantu benza furniture, abantu benza light. But you know, I've seen so many beautiful things that are happening. Started pottery, you know, people have started doing things. Because it's the timeline of the distribution of sacred wealth 0707 between 777 today, which is one of the biggest days ever. Portal it's wide open today. Start. I don't operate from lack. That chapter is closed. Everything is working out for me. Everything works out for me. Peace out, family. Love and light.